Chị bé ule, so kan ron ai le do na. Hi Bawngsa le Maipawl ka kan pol amo. Chuanin hei chu Bokchoi ka tawa hei changkha pum chum na. Kan pa chuanin buaya pasta ai do na. Kan ron ai chawang Christmas ruai kan cheve don chau ni.
Christmas ruai.
Christmas ruai.
After Christmas ruai.
Era Kan Christmas ruai ve ni here.
You have to stop that.
Pasal chama? No.
You have to stop that because if not, the YouTube will flag us later.
Okay. I'll stop. Pasal chama ka ngai thadu Bokchoi e.
Enough. I'll pick more.
The sauce. Good?
Tasty. It's perfect. What do you call this vegetable?
Maipawl.
Maple.
Maipawl.
Quite tasty.
One bit.
Please.
Bokchoi.
Thank you. Bokchoi. Before I forget, if the winner of the mini challenge is seeing this video, please add Pelling on Facebook and contact for the prize.
Kan no te. Mukbang e mai cha, yu kan rin siak na mo. Ni winner kan than chua kha I mal som lu I fa nai. Kha kan video hi la mo huna min lo ber o. Top up kan ron thun na tur number kha. Min lo pe ka nga ya.
Tell her to not put their number on the comments because if not, someone can get their number. Just send us like a private message on Facebook.
Kung may nakakali number da share de chuan mo Facebook a khan lalin filirate call ni ti kham min ron etla ta khan private message min lo thon mai ba.
If not, she could get those scam calls. Like, I'm a prince of niche area. I have your dog. Send money, please. Have you had those scam calls before?
I think so.
People try to scam money.
Có Bawngsa tôi là phê được. Có mình mọt tới của ca. Dar ni rito dam doi na zing lama dam doi na kan masa.
I hope everyone had a good Christmas. And I ate a lot of Christmas ruai.
Christmas ruai.
Christmas ruai. Portuguese Christmas ruai, not very tasty for me, so person. Drop.
อันคริสต์มาสอะเฮียนมองก็ที่สันเตสังหาเราสังหาเลียมปุ้ยไม่เอ็นที่เนี่ยตีเราก็เชื่อแล้วว่าตีเราดันเฮเรียบเราป้าไงนี่เราว่าโมจีที่เนี่ยนั่นตีเราเนี่ยไอ้ดูแล้วว่าตุ้ยก็ตีร้องนี่แล้วว่า
Always codfish.
คริสต์มาสอะจนก็ฟิชอันเอฟเฟกอะหูฮาวินรอยตัวเชฟเวลเลียมเรามาเซ่
Every person.
อินที่น่ะอันโซฮีอันโซไอฮีอินอันซ้ำพูดคริสต์มาสนี่จนมือเจ้าเนี่ยรอยกันเชฟBokchoiกันเอฟเฟกกันข้างเลยมั้ยใครนี่พวกอัปปี้เดียพูดได้น่ะไปมันนี่ชุ่มกว่าเลยอัปปะเตียที่ชุ่มกว่าเลยปีเตเนี่ยปีเดียพูดได้เนี่ยกันมังเขาว่าไอตัวจุดต่ำนู่นตัวค่ะ
But you like the dessert.
Marby?
I'm eating.
Ah, okay.
I'm speaking directly from here. For New Year's, Mizoram will also have similar to ruai, right?
The same.
The same. Also here in Spain. More codfish.
Kadulaw.
Kadulao. Kadulao. Most families will do the same. Codfish, boiled potato, boiled egg,
Boiled vegetable.
boiled vegetable, lot of olive oil, and vinegar. But in this house, we don't do the same.
Crab draw. For New Year.
Crab, shrimp, squid, roasted potato in the oven.
That will be good.
Mm.
Not catfish.
Not codfish. And the crab we do different way than normal. We boil the crab, take all the inside, also from the claws and every meat of the crab, outside of the crab, and then we mix with boiled egg, breadcrumbs, sometimes beer.
Beer.
Yes, a little bit of beer. Yes. And I'm not remembering what more. We're not, but we make like a paste, you know, with that. And then put inside of the crab again to become beautiful. And then you pick that and you put inside of those crackers, small ones, and you eat it. Quite tasty.
We'll try. No, I will try for the first
You will
time.
try. We already buy. The crabs are like this size. They're small ones. For here. Mizoram is the bigger ones are the same as I eat in your house, right?
Yeah.
They always like the same size.
We also have blue crab, the big one, but import.
Import. I mean like native. Native is the black
small,
ones,
no,
right?
Small. Wow.
Almost fell. Almost fell to the ground. These ones are native from here, but can also be
Because
imported.
in Mizoram they don't have a big sea. We just have a small river.
These ones I buy is one of them is 400 grams, the other is 600 grams. But Daddy saw alive, they selling 1.5 kilo crab. But they say it's so expensive. I don't want to.
20 euro per
1 kilo. 1 kilo.
Per kilo.
Yeah. So that crab is 1.5 is 30 euro. Just one crab. Alive, not frozen. Alive. Tulutok.
Ato ilutok. Kaya forma eh.
I think this is my favorite vegetable. So fucking
Bokchoi.
tasty. So tasty.
Bokchoi, Chinese. Oh, it's Chinese cabbage. Not Chinese cabbage.
No, it's different than Chinese cabbage.
Ah, Chinese anchang.
Chinese cabbage is round. Also tasty. But I think this one is more tasty.
Chinese cabbage I don't like very much.
No?
I like bokchoi.
It's more tasty. Also more expensive. This one.
changkha chumbi to ilutok.
Do you want more? One day we have to make mukbang with seafood. With crab, shrimp, and those ugly things that you don't like. The look.
Barnacles.
Barnacle. Looks like alien.
Makluto ra pom HC po ang
Looks like alien. If someone wants to find online to look at it, the name is percebush.
barnacles.
No, there's different types of barnacles from the sea. Those are rock barnacles. Oh yo.
Sorry. The last mukbang.
So let's try. Let's see. We'll ask us to say goodbye. Sangpui chak chuak.
Sangpui chak chuak.
Yeah, sangpui chak chuak. Bye bye. Oh, tlantei fanai.
Tlantei fanai.
Tlantei fanai. Bye bye. Where's more? Oh, nutei ngaka.
Nutei ngaka.
Oh, nutei ngaka. Bye bye. So difficult name to say to that one. Ngaka.
Ngaka.
Yeah, it's difficult for me.
Not that one.
Oh. Ooh, wait. Herliani.
Maherilal Herliani.
Herliani. Oh my god. Herliani.
No. Okay. Maheri
Lal
Herliani.
Herliani.
Hel disu. Lal
Lian. Maherilal Herliani. Oh.
Bye.
Bye. Oh. It's like those tongue twisters for me. Oh, terami. Terami.
Terami.
Bye bye.
Now this one.
Oh, siak keng ring pui.
Siak eng rin puyi.
Siak keng ring pui. Bye bye.
Oh, subscriber zong ka bye bye to mai ro. Subscriber zong ka bye bye ti mai ro. All the subscribers.
Oh,
And commentator.
All the subscriber and commentator. Bye bye. I don't think there's more. Also, I've reached the end of it.
Yeah.
Bye bye. Bye
Bye bye.